Today we're going to learn how to crochet these berets. Also, if you want to purchase one of these bow berets, they're on my Depop and Etsy, which is linked in my bio. So let's grab our yarn and our hook and get into it. I used the Karen Colorama Halo Cakes. I went through a phase of just being obsessed with these, so I have a lot of them. I'm using 4.5 millimeter hook. For the actual base of the hat, I'm going to be using the outside of the cake, and then for the bow, I'm going to be using the inside. You're going to start off by creating a magic circle, and then you're going to chain 3, and that chain 3 counts as your first double crochet, and you're going to double crochet 11 more, so then you'll have a total of 12 double crochets starting off. Tighten that magic circle, and then you're going to slip stitch, chain 3, and then for this row, you are going to place 2 double crochets in each double crochet space. So then you'll have 24 in total at the end. Slip stitch for your next row, chain 3. That chain 3 will count as your first double crochet, and then in the next double crochet, you're going to place an increase, placing 2 double crochets into that space, and then you'll double crochet into the next space, and then place another increase in the next space. You'll slip stitch into the top of that chain 3 space, and then start your new row, which now you will do 2 double crochets, and then you'll do an increase. So you'll place 2 double crochets into the first and second space, then increase into that third space. And you'll just continue this until you reach that chain 3 space again. So you're going to continue increasing, adding an extra double crochet in between each increase. So the next row will be 4 double crochets and then an increase. The next row will be 5 double crochets, then an increase. Continue going in that pattern until it gets wide enough for your liking. I'm gonna watch my show and continue until I reach how big I want it to be, and then I'll meet y'all back. This is how big I want it to be. This row, you're gonna go into every stitch with a double crochet, and then the next. So I ran out of time today. Check back tomorrow for part 2.